Alright guys, so this is the frontal and I'm going to be tweezing behind the tweezed part. You see the front part can look faded. That's because it came pre-plucked. So I'm going to go ahead and tweeze behind the that behind where they stopped. So that's what I'm doing now. In the video you see, well, I think I tweezed it too far, but you'll see everything in the video. But this is me just tweezing it out. And then in the next clip I'm going to show you guys how it looks, how one side look and how the other side looks. Now whenever you're tweezing it, especially for curly hair, it does get knotted, you know, like tangled. So here's what it looks like. This side is tweezed. I really hope you can tell the difference, and that side is not. Can you tell the difference? So now I'm going to be bleaching the hair as well as the frontal, sorry. And I'm using 40 volume developer and the basic white. I'm just buy the basic white retail. So I'm just mixing them together and then I'll be applying it on the frontal. So I think, looking back, I think the bleach seeps through onto the hair too much. I don't know. I'm still learning. This is like my third time doing it, and it's looking good, you know, and I still have a long way to go. So I'm just bleaching. As I say, I bleached everywhere on this frontal. That's what I always do for all my frontals. I bleach every single round of frontals. But yeah, as I was saying, I have a long way to go, but I'm very proud of the progress that I have made. And I said it in my video last, and I'm like, you guys are going to see me slay these things, and you guys are going to say, no, if Lyric can do it, I can do it. So now what I'm doing is I'm putting the bleach also on the tips of the bundles. So what I did, I did it further and further up for each bundle, and then when I was sewing it in, which Jonathan, him do something bad now, and I might try to friend me up because him know some love kissing, much him kiss me. Him just melt my heart. Come here, man. Sure. Watch him dance. Sure. Love him, say, and him do something bad now, but him have me heart, man. So when I do all of these and I wrap them in the plastic bag, they took so quickly because I put them in plastic bags. So this is how I personalize my stuff and enjoy the rest of the video. Hey, go ahead and subscribe and stuff. You ain't subscribed yet? Girl, what you doing? Alright guys, so I am going to be showing you guys how I apply the wig. So I'm first going to take my Got to Be, and I'm just going to use this to slick back my hair. And then it will also act as an adhesive as well. Alright, so that's that. Then I'm going to be using this stocking cap, the dark brown one. So I'm going to pull it down a bit, and then I'm going to apply my Pump It Up. And I'm essentially applying it on my forehead. I'm going to get some more. I kind of want to pull the wig further onto my forehead, so I'm applying this a bit further down. So now this is what the wig looks like, and I'm going to be doing another video talking about the hair, but this is what the hair looks like, so it came out to be. I actually did another video doing this hair and it just never came out right. I mean, I'm going to insert a clip now. My edges, I mean, it was just so bad, and I was like, why does it look this bad? But I didn't have this thing sitting at the front, and I saw, oh gosh, where's the scissors? Are you joking? My scissors thing. And I saw that this the closure part was a little bit too much, as in the lace, sorry, not the closure, the lace was it was just a little bit too much at the front, so it kind of extended my forehead a little bit. And I wore this wig for an entire day. I went on the road, and oh my gosh, you guys, I'll remember this in another video. So before I put on my wigs, I always pull back the lace part because of how I make the wig. So I pull back the lace part and then I put it on, and then I pull it down. So I'm just keeping this area situated, and I'm pulling it down. Pulling it down. This is getting a little bit tacky. I wish I had a blow dryer. I don't, so let me just fan dry this. I mean hand dry this. Alright, so I'm just going to cut the stocking. I tried putting on the reason why it looks so weird initially is because I tried putting on the wig without doing this method, the stocking cap method, you know, and I thought I could do it, but we'll see if this looks any different. Oh, and underneath it I have foundation on it. Alright, my conclusion is that you need a stocking cap. That's my conclusion. It looks so much better than it did yesterday. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you guys. It looks so much better. What's something each under here? So, what is? All the lace. It looks so much better. So, it looks so much better. It looks, oh no, let's just not show that part. Let me pull this down a little bit more. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. So this is the hair. You have absolutely no idea how good it is to finally understand how to work with wigs, and most importantly to finally understand how to make them, how to just execute it so effortlessly, and also how to make it look good, honey. Like, I look good, you know, like so it's 16 inches. You guys saw me coloring it. I didn't show how I made the wig, but you guys saw me coloring it. You guys saw me personalizing it. Did I? Yes, I showed you guys bleaching the knots as well. And before I show you guys how I actually applied the foundation on the lace. That really does help. Everything I've been doing, it's just been one big experiment, because I'm wondering, can one be done? Can one be done without the other? Can I not wear the stocking cap and have it still look effortless? The only thing I did not do was glue this down. As you can see, I can still like lift it up. The only thing I used was the pump it up as well. I only use the pump it up, and it's such an amazing feeling because I don't keep my wigs long on my head. You know what I'm saying? Like, when I'm done with a video or when I'm on the road and I come back, I take it off. So I only use the got to be to slick down my edges, and also to add the first layer of adhesive to the stocking cap, and then this one finishes it off, and then the pump it up finishes it off. That sounds weird, but this is a Peruvian deep wave from Nadula hair. Girl, the next hair I get, I'm so going to make it this bit the entire color, and then I want to start experimenting into colors as well. This is the wig. My head is really small. It fits a small head. I do have a makeup tutorial on this look. I used my Juvia's Place palettes and my Beauty Bakery foundation, but the aim of this video is to show you this hair. I wish I had my big teeth comb to comb. Look at this frontal. Are you seeing like the curls? It's matching now. The only thing with the frontal and the bundles is that the frontal is a half a shade lighter than the bundles. So the frontal is like 1, and then like the closure will be like a 1B, or if 1B is lighter than 1, vice versa. But it's just like half a shade lighter than the rest of the bundles, and it's not that obvious. I only noticed it when I was actually making the wig. This is what we're looking like. I'm so happy, you guys. I'm so happy. I can't wait to get some straight hair, to slay some straight hair, because straight hairs are, to me, they're harder to do. But yeah, so again, this is from Nadula hair. 3 bundles and a frontal, and every single thing is in this hair on my head. I have no leftover bundles at all. And this is what we're looking like. Let me see if I can. Ooh. So okay, so let me just say this right now. You're going to need a stocking cap. I use a dark brown one. I've never used the lighter one, because I realized that when the girls use the lighter one, they still put foundation on it. So I just use a dark one, but I still put foundation on my lace itself. You guys, I'm so happy. Nadula hair, thank you so much for sending me this to review. I love this texture, and I think that's my problem. My problem is this texture is it for me. And I'm saying it's a problem because what if I don't want to do any more textures? Like, I just want to do like this deep wave texture in longer lengths, in shorter lengths. Who knows? I don't. Do you? I don't think so. But this is the look. This is my hair. This is my wig that I made by myself. By myself. This is it. So you guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Again, Nadula, thank you so much. Thank you very much. And also everybody, happy Monday. Okay, so this new thing I'm gonna start doing, right? Y'all go say I'm following Jackie. I know, whatever, bite me. You can go ahead and watch some of my other videos right here that I'm gonna put up for y'all, because you know I love y'all. And also, I've been getting a lot of support, and it really means a lot to me, and I'm actually extremely surprised. I realized that my channel, we're more like I don't want to say a sisterhood, but more of like a group over here. Like, we're a group, like we support each other, and I really appreciate it, isn't it? So yeah, so these are my videos. Watch them if you want to. I suggest you do after watching this one, because listen, it's a good binge. It's a good thing to binge on my videos. I'm just saying, I approve it. I approve this binge. Bye guys.